In this video tutorial series, we're going to cover Katana's WooCommerce integration. This integration is intended for any business that is selling on a WordPress website and using the WooCommerce plugin, and it enables you to connect your e-commerce store or sales channel directly into your Katana account and sync your sales orders directly back to your WooCommerce store along with your stock. Through this tutorial series, we're going to first start off with the connection flow, so how to connect your Katana account to WooCommerce and what happens during that process. Then we'll do an order creation workflow where we'll show you how orders are synced between WooCommerce and Katana. And we'll cover as well the stock sync functionality with the app. And in the last video, we'll talk briefly about some other things to be aware of with respect to how the WooCommerce integration interacts when you're using things like kits and bundles, batch tracking and first in, first out methodology, make to order workflows, as well as any types of metadata that are associated to the sales orders line items inside of your WooCommerce store. How do we deal with those types of things? So I hope that you enjoy this, and it will give you a nice overview of how to use the Katana and WooCommerce integration.